We're at this year's project lawn here today at Talor's house. So this is the Kikuyu lawn. We're going to put irrigation in this season, going to fix up the kikes. There's a lot of different grass types throughout. It's going to show you guys how to do it, how to do irrigation throughout the whole of this season and get this thing looking schmick hopefully by the end of the season. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Yuck, bro. So we're going to look at the steps of what to do with your lawn for the season. So what we're going to do first is have a look at the lawn. We've got predominantly Kikuyu here, and there's a bit of cool season weeds here, grass. So Talor's goal for this season is to make this whole lawn Kikuyu. So we've got to figure out what the best plan of attack is. We're going to figure out areas. So we're going to do irrigation, but we also want to get rid of all this cool season grass, any cooch that's in here. So that'll be spot spraying with some Roundup. So let's assess this lawn, what we want to do with it, what we want to achieve. So firstly, what do you want to do with this lawn, mate?
Well, because we have mostly Kikuyu, we're going to try and make that spread. But first, when you do assess it, you can either choose like we did, the Kikuyu, or you can put in new turf. You can choose a turf type. You can seed. Oh, that's pretty much it, isn't it?
Or you can do AstroTurf, but you don't want to do that. So we're going to look at areas now that we just need to make 100% Kikuyu. So this area here is pretty much just winter grass, bit of Kentucky bluegrass, bit of cooch grass. So we're going to use glyphosate on this area, so we won't use a selective. So we're going to kill everything that's here. Since we're ripping up the lawn anyway, we're going to redo areas. We've decided to do irrigation. So if you're redoing your lawn, overseeding, putting your turf down, that is the best time to put some irrigation down when the lawn's getting ripped up anyway, then it can recover. After the irrigation is done, we're going to do a renovation on this area here. One, to help those trenches that are there from the irrigation actually get leveled out properly and filled in, and also to get this Kikuyu to spread absolutely everywhere, because we are going to glyphosate the areas, as we said, get rid of some weeds. So we're going to have a lot of bare spots and a lot of nasty looking areas. So renovation will be the way to get this thing kicking in come October. Yeah, we'll do some sprigging too, which will be part of it.
A bit of a backstory on this place. So we came here last year and did a little bit of a video spraying some Odessa. We probably sprayed that at the wrong time of year. Probably needed to be a little bit warmer to hit those weeds. But this season I've done some sprigging here. So there used to be a clothesline and a path here, got rid of that. Put some sprigs in, do some overlay shots of that. But yeah, that's filled in completely here. And then we have Kikuyu overgrowing on the driveway. I've taken the sprigs off that and just butted them up along the fence line and just watered those, and they've taken quite nicely. So hopefully this season they'll keep growing and filling. So these areas here, like Josh said, we're gonna use a non-selective herbicide, glyphosate, and spray these big areas. So last season, the Kikuyu has spread over, but I think it's gonna be faster if we're doing a renovation to use those sprigs and spread them here like seed, and it'll fill in so much faster. So renovation, then sprigs. Last year, I think a few people were saying that this area here is a bit too shaded for warm season grass, but the sun does hit here in the summertime. But we have decided to put to about here a footpath anyway, so we're going to be getting rid of this and then the sun will hit there. With all of this, having irrigation done, renovations, everything, a lot of this will be mostly repaired by Christmas time, probably just not the really big areas where we're sprigging. But by the end of the season, we should have all of it filled in and ready to go. So we'll keep you guys updated along the whole process this whole year. While we're doing this, we are starting irrigation the next week or two, just depends on the weather. But today we're gonna get some dicamba out to get some of the weeds that are in the Kikuyu to selectively get rid of them. So safe on most grass types. Don't go using though on buffalo because it will damage it pretty bad. Always just check the label to make sure your grass type's fine with it. We'll add some of our pure wetter too, just a capful. Just help it stick to the actual leaf of the weeds a little bit more. You just get a little bit of a better kill. Put that out. There's not a ton of weeds, mostly like thistle, a little bit of, I saw a bit of burmatic before, a bit of clover, not a ton of stuff. This won't touch the winter grass though, that is in here. It's mostly just gonna touch our broadleaf weeds. If we want to get the winter grass, probably go for some Odessa once the temps start to warm up, so towards the end of this month, start of September. Well, that's all done, so we'd expect the weeds to stand up within a day, probably die out within about 2 weeks on this whole area. So we'll be back at this place in the next couple of weeks, depending on the weather, hopefully next week, maybe the week after, to start our irrigation. So keep an eye on the journey. We'll keep you guys updated throughout the whole year. All right, see you next time.